Hey everybody, Working Roller channel here. Last time I showed you the homemade pickup winder here. But this is not the end. I will demonstrate how it's work and wind my first ever pickup coil today. But at first I got housing alone and I need to finish the installation, create a small platform and fix everything to avoid wobbling. Also I need to make some guides for the wire, so let's go through the whole process with me. And if you like what you see, please subscribe for this channel for more content like this. So I bought the OSB chipboard in the DIY store and decided to make the platform 30 by 30 centimeters. Also I bought stainless steel rod and some limiters for the wire guiding. And I needed to install it somehow, so I bought a wooden bar, and this is a very fast thing to install. But that's me, I'm always searching the opportunity to draw things on guitars, but here we have a piece of guitar equipment that have an empty canvas. So let's make this project harder for me, let's draw something. This is not a consistent surface, so I will do something without small details. So I thought, what if this thing will go further and the whole topic with pickups will be my side-long project? Yeah, I needed the logo or something, and we got this simple thing. Almost every pickup company is named after its owner. Duncan, DiMarzio, etc. But my last name is Catlar, it's okay, but it doesn't sound cool, and there will be some misspelling, like cat liar or something. So I thought for about a day maybe, and came with the name Magnetron. This is mix of magnet, magnetron, electronics and throne, like King's throne. It's straight to the point, and it will be okay if the project is stay in its beginning, and I will wind pickups only for myself and for my friends. No complaints at all. Let's draw a simple logo. I'm not calligrapher and I'm not bothered if the drawing is uneven. In the times when AI is everywhere, for me it's a pleasure to see some imperfections in humans' works. It can be variable in the future, but the big magnet will be there. The rest is in black color. So now we have a square, and I needed to spray the black paint background over my platform and guider details. All the paints are fast drying, so at least here I will save some time. I did a couple of layers, everything dried, so now I needed to spray white base under my letters. I did a very fast stencil and make it happen. It became like the childish drawing in the notebook, but I like it, true and non-perfect. The last thing here, thin layers of lacquer. So after that my board is ready for its purpose. Let's install the winder and the wire guides. It's not simple too, I needed to install power supply and the winder separately, and I needed to make some holes in the winder and to disassemble it again. So everything is on its place and we can make the first test run. For those who don't know anything about pickups, the most important part of the pickup is a coil of a copper wire and a magnet. You got different tones because of the thickness of wire, different thicknesses, number of wounds, and because of different magnets, strong and weak magnets. The wire is very thin. For this I choose the 42 thickness wire for more classic sounding humbucker in the neck for my Les Paul. But this will be our wounded humbucker. And this is the most thick wire gauge between the classic arsenal. I choose it for the first try cause it will be harder to break it. For this I need to prepare the wire spool and put it inside a plastic 5-liter bottle to limit the fluctuations of the coils. After that the wire will come to the horizontal widened amplitude limiter and then to the bobbin. And if you are still here, please hit the like button, please subscribe once again, thank you very much. So let's wind my first ever pickup coil. The bobbin will stay on the flywheel with help of 3M double-sided tape, and remember, we got failed counter here that holds only the half of the speed of motor. And what can I say, everything went pretty okay, but I understand that steel rod guide is scratchy and it should be polished for these needs. And later everything went well. I didn't film the whole process cause in the middle of the process I loosened the tension and caught loosened loop, but somehow I managed to fix everything. The last step, hook up wires in the end and in the beginning of the bobbin. This process can be tricky if you choose the wrong insulating tape, like I did, so I needed to wait some more couple days for the proper tape and packing the coil properly. And this is it, my first humbucker bobbin made at home. I was nervous, I stopped the winder so many times, my hands were sweaty and it slowed down the whole process and increased the tension of wire, but the coil became pretty solid and definitely not bad for the first time. But I will finish it in the next video, and I got plans for the set of pickups for my Les Paul. All the specs, numbers and tech talk will be in the next video. Please stay safe, take care and see ya. Please watch other videos on this channel. Please subscribe once again. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.